Okay, so the first answer is that it does not produce a perfect reflection of the society. Then second is, why are the seats reserved for few categories in parliament? Answer is also given here. It is important to ensure that communities that have been historically marginalized are given representation, so some seats are reserved in the parliament for SCs and STs. Fifth question was the last one. The Mughal emperors appointed the company as the Diwan of the provinces of Bengal. What were its advantages to the British East India Company? What happened when they got the Diwani? जब दीवानी मिल गई उनको तो then what did they do? What were the advantages? Advantages क्या मिले उनको?
They were allowed to
They
collect
used
It helps to strengthen their military power,
outflow of gold from Britain
and the
completely
monopoly
stopped.
of the
Yes,
trade was
outflow
started.
of the
Gold.
नहीं goods to आई
outflow of gold
outflow of gold
stopped.
completely stopped. Okay, so
And they
and
were
they
able
used to
to
take
finance
taxes
their
from the people.
functions from the.
Yes, and
The
they
revenue was
And they strengthen their military power.
the
yes,
And they
revenue
used
of
to
Bengal was
maintain
used
military
for
the
power
exporting
means
Monopoly of the
lumber.
company on the trade status.
they were using the money which they were collecting from Indian people. Indian का ही पैसा अपने पे लगाते जा रहे थे. So everything they used to take, gold भी ले गए, goods भी ले गए, सब कुछ ले गए. Okay, so then come to the doctrine of lapse. Okay, claim to paramountcy. I told you war with the Marathas. Ki last yesterday I was telling you that Tipu Sultan was defeated, and after that he was defeated in the fourth war. That also because of the deception, the disunity shown by the other Nawabs of Hyderabad and who were there? Nawabs of Hyderabad, Britishers and Marathas. Yes.
Marathas.
Yes.
Marathas.
तो ये सब एक हो गए और फिर इन्होंने टीपू सुल्तान को हरा दिया. And see what happened after that is they were not so good with Marathas also. Britishers then they tried to suppress the Marathas also. Even the Marathas were also very powerful. They were also defeated in the third war. After subsequent series of wars they had, first was in 1782, then second war, then third Anglo-Indian war. So they Marathas were also defeated in the third Anglo-Maratha war. So see, you can yourself imagine that if they were not defeated in the first war, that means how much powerful they were. First Tipu Sultan. So now Britishers they defeated Tipu Sultan also in the fourth war. Then they defeated the Marathas also in the third war. So then they started feeling that they are of paramountcy. That then came this policy, the claim to paramountcy means itne Tipu Sultan ko harane ke baad, and then they defeated Marathas also. So then they started feeling on the top of the heaven. That means no one is better than them, and they are on the top of the world. So then they claimed that nobody is of better power than them and they are of the supreme power. Okay, that was the claim to paramountcy. Then, but still, though they claimed themselves to be of the supreme importance, but still there was resistance put up by the other kingdoms, who they were trying to annex. जो छोटे छोटे थे, जैसे साउथ में रानी चेन्नम्मा थी. Okay, Kittur, the Rani of Kittur, Rani Chennamma. She also means it is not like that the Britishers were easily annexing the more and more territories, though resistance was put up by the other regional kingdoms also. Okay, but still, you know that they were feeling more powerful. So when somebody is just winning and winning, so that win-win situation make them feel so proud and powerful that they keep on winning all the territories. Okay, आफ्टर दैट फिर वो चले गए इधर. सो उनको खतरा हो गया कि रशिया ना आ जाए उधर से फ्रॉम द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. नो, फ्रॉम दैट विच पार्ट?
No,
नॉर्थ
Northwestern.
नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट. यस. So then they were afraid कि हम यहाँ पे हैं, बंगाल से वो साउथ की तरफ चले गए. So then they were afraid that Russian they should not attack from the northwestern regions and they should not annex from there. So then they head towards the north western part also. वहाँ पे भी जाके उन्होंने फिर राजस्थान हो गया, वहाँ पे जो राजपूत थे उनको हराया. Okay, then they came to Punjab also. So Punjab maybe Maharaja Ranjit Singh was there. Okay, so there, but when did Maharaja Ranjit Singh die? This is also important year.
Ma'am is
1839.
Ma'am, 1839.
1839.
Yes.
1839.
Yes. So in 1839, Maharaja Ranjit Singh died, and then after two prolonged wars were fought with the Sikh kingdom. फिर भी उनके मरने के बाद भी ऐसा नहीं था कि तभी उन्होंने ब्रिटिशर्स ने उनको टेक ओवर कर लिया. So there were two prolonged wars were fought with the Sikh kingdom ultimately in 1849. So after 10 years, कि 10 साल तक उनकी लड़ाई चलती रही, even after Maharaja Ranjit Singh was not there. So Sikhs were also powerful, so they put up big resistance to the Britishers, and after 10 years in 1849, Punjab was annexed. Punjab was also taken over by the Britishers. So then after that, what happened again? The same thing they used to do. They used to this have policies. ठीक है, पहले subsidiary alliance लगा दी, फिर claim to paramount से अपने आप को claim कर दिया. Then came the doctrine of lapse. So then this was also a very clever policy where they were easily used to conquer the territories without having the direct war attack. So क्या था? What was doctrine of lapse? Tell me.
Ma'am, according
Yeah,
to this,
preferred
the
king died
died
without
without
and
and
the
the
hired
king
word
died
that would
become
be
a part of the
Then his kingdom would lapse.
अरे भाई कोई एक बोलो. कौन बोलेगा?
मैम देखो
मैं-
किसने हैंड रेज किया है.
Yes, you have
किसी ने
raised.
किया
That's
हुआ
why I
है.
said Mahit raised hand. First hand raised, first served. Yes, tell.
मैम
First of all, tell who,
मैम डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स वाज अ पॉलिसी.
devised this policy.
मैंने मैं पढ़ी थी मैम, कल थोड़ी सी पढ़ी थी मैम.
Who devised this
मैं रिवाइज
policy?
तो करता हूँ मैम.
मैम लॉर्ड डलहौजी.
तो करता हूँ मैम.
Lord Dalhousie, who was the Governor General from 1848 to 56, he devised this policy. So what was this policy? क्या था इसमें?
Ma'am, in this was the policy adopted by the Britishers. In this, if a king died and if he was not having any male successor, then the kingdom was taken under the British.
Yes. So
Britishers.
simply that if an Indian ruler died without a male heir, his kingdom would lapse. ठीक है, अगर कोई राजा का कोई अपना मेल हियर नहीं है, मीन्स उसका अपना बेटा नहीं है आगे, so his kingdom would lapse into the hands of the British. So this happened. So and simply by applying this doctrine, Satara, Sambalpur, Udaipur, Nagpur, Jhansi जैसी जो थी, Jhansi was also देखते हैं कि
अवध.
You might have seen झांसी की रानी, उसमें जब वो घोड़े पे सवार हो, पीछे अपने she had carried her baby on the back and she used to fight. So
Ma'am,
वो जो
yes.
उसका baby था, that was not her real son. वो adopted था.
Ma'am, yes, they had adopted
he
him.
was a
Yes,
Ma'am,
so adopted
the
था.
mother,
So that's why she could not keep her kingdom with her. So Britishers ने उसका kingdom भी ले लिया था. Okay, so then
Ma'am, इस पे तो movie भी बनी.
yes, झांसी की रानी मूवी भी है ना, वो कंगना
मणिकर्णिका.
मणिकर्णिका.
मणिकर्णिका. Yes, I have seen that movie. Have you seen that? Who has watched?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So yeah, you've seen how with the bravery and vigor she fought and she put up the fight in front of the British. So that's good. So these kind of things were there, but this Britishers, they were powerful. Slowly they were expanding their power, so that made them won over easily over the situations. Okay, so then after this they thought that कि हमें administration भी change करना है इंडिया का. So then they came towards the administration. So there were two courts. Each district was to have two courts. Which were the two courts which each district was to have? हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 2 कोर्ट्स होने थे. Which were the 2
Criminal
courts?
court,
मैम
civil court.
फौजदारी
फौजदारी और
अदालत और मैम
Criminal
दीवानी
court and the
अदालत.
civil court. Like otherwise also we have na criminal cases. See, so this is also still given by the Britishers only. Now also we have criminal court and the civil court. Civil courts में जो फैमिली के झगड़े होते हैं, जो लो लेवल जो होते हैं, जो चोरियां जो फैमिली के होती हैं, so like divorce cases are also, so they all come under civil cases. Criminal court में जाते हैं high profile cases. High profile cases कौन से होते हैं? Which are the high profile cases? Like murder,
क्राइम,
burglary,
मर्डर.
looting. Okay, so these are of high profile cases which are known as criminal court. Okay, फौजदारी अदालत and civil court was दीवानी अदालत. And who interpreted the Indian laws for the European district collectors?
Member Council of Pandits.
Maulvis and Hindu
Maulvis.
Pandits. ठीक है. So criminal court का कौन देखता था supervisors? Supervision कौन देखता था? Collector.
मैम मुफ्ती थे.
Collector was the
Madam
supervisor.
Qazi and Mufti.
Okay. Criminal courts were still under Qazi and Mufti, but overall supervision was done by the collector. Okay.
Prescribing social rules and codes of behavior.
So yes, Dharam Shastras, they were Sanskrit texts prescribing social rules and codes of behavior. Okay, so mainly first of all, this decision and judging of the criminals were done on the basis of Dharam Shastras. Okay, so but the thing is, see, there were different schools of Dharam Shastra. So what were the problems that the Britishers faced while giving the judgments to the people? क्या प्रॉब्लम उनको आई थी? That there were different schools of धर्म शास्त्र के अलग अलग स्कूल थे, and you know that every school has their own system of teaching. Okay, so then to bring about uniformity, what did they do? To bring about
मैंने
uniformity,
ट्रांसलेट कर दिया.
yes, so they digested they translated the digest of Hindu laws. And who did it? This is also important.
एंड बी हेलेड.
Yes, this is also important. And we
And we
have
had
translated this digest into English. So उसमें जितने भी हिंदू लॉज थे जो धर्म शास्त्र के थे, उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया इंग्लिश में for the better judgment, so that there should be uniformity in giving judgment to all. Okay, so that was done. And who was the principal figure in an Indian district that time?